Are you in a rush to pocket some quick cash? Maybe you're not keen on the whole building an empire thing just yet, but you're itching to score $1,000 pronto. Well, in this video, I've got 5 lightning-fast ways for you to rake in that grand today and see those dollars hit your account within 24 hours. But fair warning, these methods won't turn you into a millionaire overnight or set you up with a sustainable online business. They're more like turbocharged shortcuts to get your first taste of online moolah. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. If you're eager to make a quick $1,000 without delving into complex projects like website creation, cultivating a vast social media presence, or acquiring specialized skills, focus on the straightforward approach of task-taking. Sites like instagc.com offer a platform where you can immediately start earning digital rewards and gift cards by engaging in a variety of simple activities. You're not just limited to surveys. You can also earn by watching videos, shopping online, and even just surfing the web. For those who enjoy sharing their opinions, surveytime.io provides cash rewards for each survey completed, while cashstar.com broadens your earning opportunities with options to watch videos, enjoy music, and undertake various quick tasks. To enhance your earning potential further, delve into an array of tasks that go beyond the ordinary. Prioritize tasks that promise higher rewards to optimize your income, and familiarize yourself with the payout processes and options of each platform to streamline your cash flow. An essential strategy is to maintain activity on several platforms concurrently, ensuring access to a continuous supply of tasks. Vigilantly monitor these platforms for unique, time-sensitive, or higher-value opportunities to maximize your earnings. By adopting a proactive and strategic approach to task selection and platform engagement, you can accelerate your journey to that $1,000 milestone. Our second method revolves around leveraging Audible's affiliate program, an enticing prospect within Amazon's extensive audiobook ecosystem. By persuading individuals to sign up through your specialized link, you gain a swift $5 reward per registration, directly credited to your account. Imagine persuading 200 people to participate. That's an instant $1,000. Achieving this requires dedication and effort, actively engaging in social media groups, producing compelling YouTube content, and mobilizing your network with enthusiasm. While it demands grit and persistence, the potential for rapid earnings is significant, especially if you approach it with energy and strategic insight. To hop in on this lucrative path, initiate your affiliation with Audible by registering and acquiring your distinct referral link. Capitalize on this opportunity by creating appealing and informative content that underscores the benefits of Audible subscriptions. This could include sharing personal experiences, highlighting trending audiobooks, or demonstrating the platform's value. Broaden your promotional tactics across diverse channels, from social media and blogs to email campaigns, to capture a wide audience. Honesty and transparency with your audience are crucial. Always disclose your affiliate status to maintain credibility and foster trust. By adopting these strategies, you can amplify your influence, extend your reach, and accelerate your journey toward that $1,000 milestone with Audible's affiliate program. Dive into the dynamic world of CPA marketing with our third method, focusing on the highly acclaimed TapMob network. This platform is renowned for its vast array of lucrative offers, allowing you to earn between $5 to $10 for every successful sign-up you facilitate, no financial commitment required from the user. Imagine leveraging an offer that pays out $5 per email obtained. With the right approach and some dedicated marketing efforts, you could amass $1,000 just by accumulating 200 emails. It may sound ambitious, but with strategic planning and determination, this goal is definitely attainable. TapMob has a straightforward registration process, after which you should delve into their user-friendly interface to scout for the most promising offers. When choosing an offer, it's crucial to weigh its potential profitability, attractiveness to your target demographic, and overall alignment with your marketing channels. Once you've pinpointed your preferred offers, craft a tailored marketing strategy using platforms that resonate with your audience, whether through social media, email campaigns, or your website. Continuously monitor and refine your promotional activities based on performance metrics and feedback, ensuring you're maximizing your earnings and effectively engaging your audience with relevant, compelling offers. Method number 4 introduces the strategic big problem affiliate approach. focusing on pinpointing significant issues that a wide audience is facing and providing them with a solution through an affiliate program. The essence of this method is to delve into the challenges that people frequently discuss in various online platforms like forums and social media, then aligning these challenges with affiliate programs that offer pertinent solutions. By generating content that addresses these issues while embedding your affiliate links, you position yourself as a resourceful ally to your audience. This content could take many forms: articles, videos, podcasts, or infographics, to cater to different preferences and enhance engagement. Take the example of YouTube automation, a common hurdle for many aspiring YouTubers struggling to achieve monetization. Recognizing this, some savvy individuals have linked up with services that expedite the monetization process, thereby addressing a significant and widespread problem. The success of this approach hinges on genuinely understanding and addressing a substantial issue, then connecting your audience with a solution that has an associated affiliate program. By doing so, you not only earn affiliate income but also build trust and credibility by offering real value, ultimately creating a win-win scenario. This method emphasizes the importance of empathy and alignment in affiliate marketing, ensuring that your efforts contribute meaningfully to resolving the concerns of your audience while also advancing your financial goals. Lastly, method number 5 involves diving into the world of online sales, a straightforward strategy to convert clutter into cash. It's time to assess your belongings with a critical eye, focusing on items that have lingered unused and are merely occupying valuable space. Whether it's an old piece of jewelry, a barely touched lamp, clothes gathering dust, or any gadget you once promised yourself you'd use, these are your hidden treasures waiting to be transformed into cash. Platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and others offer vast arenas where your items can find new owners. This process isn't just about making money, it's a journey towards decluttering, contributing to a more organized living environment and a sense of liberation from unnecessary possessions. To maximize the effectiveness of your online selling efforts, begin with a thorough decluttering session to identify sellable items that are in good, usable condition. Capture high-quality, clear photos from several angles to showcase your items compellingly, and craft detailed descriptions that highlight key features and condition, maintaining transparency to build trust with potential buyers. Pricing your items competitively by researching similar listings can significantly increase your chances of a quick sale. Select the most appropriate selling platform for each item to reach the ideal audience. Niche platforms can be particularly effective for specialized items. Engage with potential buyers promptly and professionally to foster a positive buying experience, enhancing your reputation as a seller and potentially securing repeat customers. This approach not only clears your space and brings in extra cash, but also offers the satisfaction of knowing your once-loved items are finding a new purpose. And that's all we have for today. We've covered some serious ground on this video, diving into 5 powerful ways to rake in that cash online. But now it's your turn to take action. So here's the question for you. Which strategy are you most excited to try out? Are you diving into the world of CPA networks, tapping into the Audible affiliate program, or perhaps you're ready to declutter and sell your stuff for some extra dough? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful and you're ready to start making some serious money online, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more insider tips on stacking up those dollar bills. Thanks for watching, and until next time. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.